Amazon search algorithm is hiding 15 genius woodworking gadgets that have better reviews and lower prices than the tools everyone's buying. Number 14 costs under $50 but outperforms equipment priced at $300. And inventory warnings are appearing on the most popular ones. Kreg Quick Flip double-sided drill, driver bit. The Kreg Quick Flip combines pilot drilling, counterboring, and driving into one reversible bit with dual-ended functionality. This eliminates constant bit changes during pocket hole assembly projects. Over 6,000 woodworkers rated for 0.7 stars for cutting assembly time significantly. The hardened steel construction handles repeated use without dulling. Perfect for anyone doing furniture builds or cabinetry, where speed matters. Currently showing limited availability in 3 regions. Milescraft Trim 45 Carpentry Aid. Trim 45 features adjustable reveal measurements and magnetic hold with built-in tape measure slots. For door and window trim work, it eliminates repetitive measuring and alignment errors that waste material. Nearly 3,000 verified buyers give it for 0.6 stars for transforming trim installation accuracy. The compact design fits in any tool belt for job site portability. Essential for carpenters and DIY renovators tackling interior finish work. Stock levels dropped 40% last week alone. A Segment DTX10 digital laser tape measure. This hybrid tool combines digital display precision with laser ranging and traditional tape measurement in one rechargeable unit. It supports multiple units including feet, inches, and centimeters with instant conversion. Construction professionals praise it for 0.8-star rating across 400 reviews for eliminating calculation errors on job sites. USB-C charging means no battery replacement costs. Ideal for flooring installers and contractors needing fast, accurate readings. Current inventory shows purchase limits up to per customer. Going Make Honing Guide System. The dual roller honing guide maintains consistent sharpening angles for chisels and plane blades with adjustable settings and stabilization. It solves the wobble and angle drift problems that ruin hand sharpening attempts. Over 5,000 woodworkers rated for 0.7 stars for delivering razor-sharp edges in under 2 minutes. The included storage case keeps everything organized. Perfect for anyone doing fine woodworking where sharp tools equal clean cuts. 3 restocks occurred this month already. Stanley Double Laminate Trimmer. Stanley's dual blade system trims laminate and edge banding flush from both directions, simultaneously with adjustable depth control. This eliminates the need for multiple passes and reduces cleanup time dramatically. Nearly 4,000 users give it for 0.5 stars for producing clean edges without chipping. The durable construction handles high-volume cabinet work. Essential for furniture makers and anyone applying edge banding regularly. Availability dropped significantly in the UK market this week. Wolfcraft Bevel Plus Miter Box. This adjustable angle tool captures wall angles from 85 to 180 degrees and transfers them directly to cutting guides for perfect miter cuts. It eliminates trial and error fitting that wastes trim material on irregular walls. Over 3,500 professionals rated for 0.6 stars for solving complex corner matching. The integrated miter guides ensure accurate transfer every time. Critical for trim work and restoration projects with non-standard angles. Stock warnings appeared yesterday on multiple Amazon regions. Knit Pro Mechanical Carpenter Pencil Set. The mechanical design delivers consistent fine lines without constant sharpening or breakage with multiple refill leads included. A complete set includes built-in sharpener and protective carrying case for job site durability. Nearly 7,000 buyers rated for 0.7 stars for eliminating the frustration of broken traditional carpenter pencils. The precise marking improves cut accuracy across all materials. Perfect for contractors, students, and dyers needing reliable marking tools. Restocked twice last month due to high demand. Prexiso Square Laser with built-in level. This tool projects perfect 90-degree laser lines up to 65 feet with dual bubble vials and magnetic mounting for tile and flooring layout. It removes human error from square alignment and eliminates chalk line mess. Over 4,200 installers give it for 0.8 stars for speeding up floor tile installation dramatically. For brightness levels adapt to any lighting condition with IP5 for water resistance. Essential for flooring pros and anyone doing large area tiling. Current stock shows 30% lower than last week. Kim Soak Edge Banding Trimmer. The adjustable blade angle and reversible design trim veneer and edge band overhang quickly, with ergonomic grip for extended use. It solves the time-consuming hand cleanup that slows furniture finishing. Nearly 5,500 users rated for 0.6 stars for delivering smooth professional edges in seconds. The simple mechanism requires no power source or complicated setup. Perfect for cabinet makers and anyone applying edge banding frequently. 5-star reviews increased 60% this quarter, showing rising popularity. Sharpening 34-piece chamfer and countersink set. This comprehensive set includes multiple countersink and chamfer bits with titanium nitride coating and hex shank compatibility for various screw sizes. It eliminates the guesswork of matching drill bits to fastener dimensions. Over 6,800 buyers give it 4.7 stars for one set versatility across different projects. The range covers virtually every wood screw application encountered. Essential for anyone doing assembly work or cabinetry requiring flush screw installation. Amazon shows this as a top mover in drill accessories. Craig K for pocket hole system. The K for jig creates strong concealed pocket hole joints with adjustable guides and repeatable hole positioning for portable workshop use. It eliminates the need for expensive joinery equipment or complex traditional methods. Nearly 15,000 woodworkers rated 4.8 stars for transforming furniture assembly speed and strength. The system works with the complete Craig accessory ecosystem, perfect for hobbyists and small shops building cabinets or furniture. Craig reports this model experiences consistent high demand across all markets. Microjig GRR Ripper 3D Push Block. The 3-dimensional grip surface provides multi-directional control with adjustable height and anti-kickback protection for table saw operations. It solves the dangerous instability and kickback risks of standard push sticks. Over 8,000 safety-conscious woodworkers rate it 4.9 stars for preventing accidents while improving cut precision. The modular design accepts deflector kits for enhanced versatility, essential for anyone operating table saws who values finger safety. Industry safety experts consistently recommend this as mandatory workshop equipment. Bessie Vario Angle Strap Clamp. Adjustable angle clips and 25mm polyester strap deliver even clamping pressure across frames and boxes with integrated tensioning mechanism. It solves irregular angle clamping where standard clamps fail to apply uniform pressure. Nearly 4,500 furniture makers rated 4.7 stars for perfect corner assembly on complex projects. The flexible system adapts to virtually any polygon shape, critical for frame building and box assembly requiring precise 90-degree corners. Bessie reports consistent backorder cycles on this popular model throughout the year. Milescraft Sanded Multi-Surface Sanding Block for different profile surfaces, handle flat, concave, convex, and narrow sanding tasks with snap block quarter sheet sandpaper compatibility. This eliminates constant tool switching when working varied surface shapes. Over 5,200 users give it 4.6 stars for versatility in one compact, affordable tool. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during extended sanding sessions. Perfect for restoration work and hobby projects requiring multiple sanding profiles. At under $20, it delivers capabilities matching tools costing 5 times more. Motovera Self-Leveling Laser Level. Green cross-line projection with self-leveling technology and for brightness settings offers superior visibility with IP5 for dust and water resistance. It removes alignment errors across large spaces where traditional levels prove inadequate. Nearly 3,800 contractors rated 4.8 stars for professional accuracy at mid-range pricing. The green laser provides better visibility in bright conditions than red alternatives, essential for construction and flooring pros working on commercial scale projects. Current availability shows 25% stock reduction compared to 2 weeks ago.